Here's our mini split, just arrived. Here's what you're gonna get in the box. Here they are out of the first box. And here you can see this is a 12K unit. Right on the box, DIY, do it yourself. And this is from their MRCOOL 4th generation. Your indoor unit is much smaller here. This is gonna just go to a large bedroom, so it's not, you can get an 18K, 24, 36K system. This is a 12. It's really efficient, 22 SEER. That's a really good efficiency number for a heat pump. And we'll go ahead and get this out of the packaging here and show you the really 3 main components: indoor unit, outdoor unit, and the cabling goes in between. Here's everything you get unpacked. 25 feet of the charged pressurized cord, and you can see they've got some protective caps on here because this is a pressurized line, so you don't have to have an HVAC guy involved. Here's your very long condensation tube. It's going to need to run down from where the top unit is all the way down and out to drain. You're going to get very detailed manuals here, quick start setup guide, a full remote control manual to control how the remote works, install and owner's manual. Pretty thick, about a 1/4 inch. It's very detailed. It's truly a DIY kit because you're going to find every question is answered here on this manual. The rest of the parts, it being a kit, you get everything you need. So you've got a lot of this insulating tape here that you're going to wrap where you do your penetration on the wall. All the foam insulation you're going to need for any lines that pass through the wall. Pieces, parts for the remote. Here's the remote. Here's the mount for the wall, so you can put the remote somewhere so you won't lose it. Batteries, hardware, controller for USB, smart USB control. This also has a Wi-Fi capability, so you can control it with your phone. You get some shims here, plenty of tape to wrap your lines, sealing clay, wrench here. This has got like an Allen wrench head on it with a handle here so you can make adjustments, and some of the connecting pipes. The inside unit, they give you a piece of cardboard with marking indicators so that you can line up on the wall where it's going to go, and you know exactly the footprint that's going to touch the wall, make your mounting holes and whatnot. Inside unit here, you can see it's got a lot of venting on the back. So when this thing gets mounted on the wall, there's airflow going through where it needs to go. And then on the outside unit, it stands upright like this on these feet. You can bolt that down when you get your concrete pad that you're going to set this on. And then all your electrical and your wiring and your refrigerant lines coming in through here. Electrical into here. And refrigerant lines connecting in here. They're color-coded. Just a very easy DIY kit. So here's everything you're going to get. This is a great addition to your house. Super high efficiency 22 SEER unit, and something you can do yourself. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information is useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.